Welcome to day 23. Happy birthday. This is in 3/4 time. I'm going to give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then you'll have one count of rest before you come in with the pickup to happy birthday. There is a fermata that is supposed to be on the third to last measure, so you'll hold that a little longer. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. 1, 2, 3, 1. Double check your notes 3 measures from the end, the last beat, because treble and bass clef, either way, it's going to be 1, 2, 3 fingering. Okay? If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up or accent the like button, as the boys say. Have a happy birthday.